So I'm going to make a bookmark, and so first you have to fold your paper like this. And then you have to cut the piece of paper over here. So now you have to fold one side, or to make sure that the point is at the bottom, and then take one corner and then push it all the way up to the right angle side, and take the other corner and do the same thing. After you do that, take the same corner that you just did and take it to the folded bit where the point is at the bottom. Next, fold it inside the piece of paper. Now finally, you can color it, and after you colored it, you can just put it inside a piece of paper. You can use it as a bookmark like this. Bye.